tips for the young graduates?
Tips for youngsters would be, you understand what are your strengths, what are your weaknesses, and work on it. And experiment. Experimenting is also important. You will not know unless you do something. So, and there are some needs which you have to do. Like in my office now, I don't do so many root canals. Maybe sometimes I do a root canal treatment, but most of the time I'm doing more of a consulting of all the cases which comes to me, and do more of implant treatment, restorative treatment, because I like to do that more. But I have spent 18 years so that I can be in this position. I have balanced work life balance has also been very important. My mentor told me, "What do you like to do on Sundays?" I said, "Sunday I relax, and don't do anything." Then she said, "Then don't open your clinic on Sundays, because once patients start getting used to you being on Sundays, then suddenly you can't
Yes.
stop."
It's
So
difficult, sir.
what?
I have done that
It's
mistake.
very, yeah, but it's very simple thing,
Hmm.
and very difficult. So earlier, when I was young, I had no work to do on Sundays. Friends के साथ घूमेंगे every कितना करेंगे? So Sunday would be, I had all the opportunity, and the requirement was such that you could earn. But Dr. Samida Gandhi told me that तू देख ऐसा करना चाहिए. So I said, yeah, this is very important. That if I want to keep myself free, and honestly, I'm a lazy person, so I like to relax and chill more. But there was this thing is, you have to understand that, take right steps. So I worked on Sundays, but when I would do a camp or something, otherwise keep myself. So that could be something else for you. So take those right steps. Don't be harsh on yourself, and compete with yourself. Basically, word of mouth is the best way uh, you can retain and grow, and build your practice. It is said that 20% of your patients would give you 80% of the earning,
Hmm.
and another 80% of the patients give you 20% of your earning. So you have to concentrate on those 20%. For me to concentrate on those 20%, I got to be professional in time management, practice management. All those things are very important. So if you take my appointment for 5 o'clock, that one chair should be free, one staff should be free, one doctor should be free, who is aware of the situation, and you can start at 5 o'clock. That means a lot. Even after a good practice and good name, this thing is very important in my office. If you take an appointment, that appointment time has to be followed by everybody, even patients. And I am fortunate that all my patients follow, almost 95% of all my patients follow the time. So for all the good things to happen, you have to start early, start that practice early. As I did reject my patient's request that just give me bill and take your commission, that was a futuristic decision, because I did not wish to be known for such thing. Otherwise, I will be known for those things, that everybody will come to me and just get. I wanted to work.
Superb tips, sir. Thank you so much. I am so sure that my listeners would love it. Thank you so much for coming into our show.